Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to present you a very interesting topic, which is to measure the price index of the competitors. I have a new database which includes 3 retailers, Aldi, Tesco and Walmart. They are selling different grocery products, apple, cheese, juice and many different things. They are categorized according to food, non-food. I have weekly prices from week 28 until week 52, and I want to show you how to calculate the price index. But before I do that, I need to go down to see if the data is correct. Yes, it seems to be correct, so the prices are meant to be in US dollars. The first row I don't need, I can delete it. And first I will calculate the price index. In my earlier videos I showed you in the basic pricing calculations how to calculate the price index, and here I will calculate the first one in week 29. It will be a simple price index measuring compared to week 28. So I will divide this one with this one times 100 and maybe need some rounding as well, and then I will calculate to 0 and I will say round up. And then I will pull this formula, except that I will fix the column E. So press F4 and I delete the 2 when I drop down, and I will pull the formula to the right, which is 106.52. Why is it so we just until 51. So 52. Why is it? This is nothing. Okay. And then I will drop down the formula and I will insert a pivot table, which I showed you in previous videos as well. The data range should be not from AD but from A. And we have the retailer, and we have the values, which is not sum but average. Okay, so I won't put all the values there because it's not necessary, but I will put the values there, maybe leaving 2 of the values blank. Big 50 and big 52, and then I need to change every value field to average, 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 Now we have the average price indexes compared to the first week. And what can be very interesting now is to insert a chart to see. I want it a bit different. No. Manage indeks. Not this one. View chart options. Change chart type. Select data. Switch row. Columns. Okay. So that's what I wanted to do. I needed to switch rows so that I can see the development of the index per competitor. Let's say we are Aldi and we are competing against Tesco or Walmart, and our starting point on week 29 was quite close to each other. Let's add some data label. So on 29 compared to 28, our reaction price change was quite close to each other. But then on week 35, Tesco really go down and Walmart as well, although Aldi kind of stays steady the whole time, doesn't react to the competition. Maybe we forgot to see ourselves against the competition. So yeah, I did something did most likely wrong. We need to see in the data for which products Walmart and Tesco decreased the price, and afterwards they made a sharp increase, and then Tesco kept steady the price index. So remember, we are not talking about price here, we are talking here about the price change, which shows that Aldi was quite constant. Tesco was similar to Walmart, but Walmart ended up in a much higher price range than Aldi or Tesco, and Aldi and Tesco stayed in a relatively similar range. I will come back to you with other interesting videos, how to deep dive into this data and how to understand and what Aldi could do to react on these price changes, or maybe they were right not to react. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye.